So I came in thinking that I would get a very practical tip about the school visits, and I did. But what I really loved was it was starting. We started with very fundamentals that we could use for the rest of our lives without the exaggeration. So the program covered A through Z about the school visits, public speaking, and writing, just about everything from very fundamentals to very practicals. That's what I really loved about the program. What is happening in this picture? It is raining. It is raining. What do you do when it's raining? Stay inside. It could be fun inside, but it could be boring, right? You smell something delicious. What's that? Asks Yoon. June smells it too. What's that? Asks June. Can we say that together?
It's a kimchi pancake!
It was beyond my expectation, and my expectation is very high, by the way. I came in knowing the workshop would be wonderful. I know highlights always provide the best workshops, but then this was just, I cannot really describe it, but then because it covered from very fundamentals to really practicals, it just was exceptional. It was really wonderful, and I really appreciate to all the faculties.